Today I am going to show you how you can easily install Inertia with your Laravel project. So to do that, first of all, let's create a new Laravel project. Copy the command and paste it in your CMD. You can change the project name as you like. So my project creation has been finished. Let's check it out if it's okay. All good. The project is running successfully. So what is next? The next is set up the inertia. First of all, going to inertia documentation. So copy the command, paste it into your CMD to install the required PHP package. Let's install the node modules. So modules has been successfully installed. Next, create this file in your project. Copy the script, paste it, and save the file. Basically, it's telling me to install npm. So let's check the project, npm run dev. And then create app.blade.php. Save the file. Let's create a middleware. Add this into your HTTP kernel. Under web, let's create a controller first. Go to web controller, paste the script, write welcome. It will be our view file name. Add a variable foo, send bar. On the welcome, we would like to return our newly created function. Web controller, the show function. Our server side setup has been finished. Let's do the front end setup. I have actually Vue 2 installed on my computer. Go to main.js, paste the script, create a folder named pages under JS directory. Create a new file, welcome.view. The video has been fast forwarded here. Save the file. Let's run npm run dev. Don't panic. Error in app.js can't resolve Vue. Basically, it's telling us to install Vue. All good. So our Vue has been successfully built. Let's run the Laravel project. Check it out. There's an error. Let's check the controller. Oh, cut this. Let's refresh. Another error. I actually forgot to import inertia. Let's check again. Voila! So we have sent foo as the variable. How do we receive it? As props. I actually forgot to run dev. Let's make it watch. So I need another CMD to run the server. Go to project and then open CMD and serve. Let's check now. All good. We have successfully sent the variable. How do we create a new route? Another URL. Copy the function name. Let's say another view. Create a new file called another view. Copy script, simply paste. Rename the variable. So our npm has been successfully running and artisan also. So let's check it out. Another URL. All good. So this is how to install Inertia with your Laravel. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up button if you like, and add a comment if you have also successfully installed by watching this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.